Today we are going to look at StarTeam access rights. This video is going to give us an overview of the StarTeam access rights, including the type and structure of access rights available. To assist me with this video, I have created a very brief StarTeam project. This consists of a number of files and a simple folder structure. I have created the project, as you can see, StarTeam access rights, and this is the folder structure which I have created. Within each folder, I've added a number of files, and I'm just going to update their status. I've also created a sub or a child view within this configuration. This is shown here as the sub view called full access view. To actually access the access rights within a project, we then select Project and Access Rights from the drop-down menu. This brings up a small dialog box, and as you can see, the project and the project name in brackets are outlined at the top of the window. Down the left-hand pane, we have all of the entities and variables within a StarTeam configuration. Our main focus today is going to be on change requests, files, views, and projects. These are the generic item rights, which are grayed out on the right-hand side. We are going to look at these in more detail in our next video. The reason we are starting with the change requests is that StarTeam access rights operates a bottom-up approach, i.e. it starts at the lowest level item and applies the access rights at this stage. So all of the rights that we are seeing here can either be granted or denied for a particular user or group. The access rights then move up a level, essentially to the file level, and again we'll look at the generic item rights, the label rights, the link rights, etc., and apply and deny these rights dependent on how they are configured. Child folders is obviously the folder level, which is above file and change requests. Similar access rights at this stage, generic item rights, label rights, and link rights. And again, these are applied after the access rights at a file and change request level. We then move to the view level, which can consist of a number of folders. Again, the rights at this level are applied after the folder access rights are applied, and these relate to view-specific rights and generic object container rights. And again, these can be granted or denied. Once these rights have then been applied, we would move to a project level. At the project level, we have a considerably shorter list of rights, as it is seen as a more global variable, and therefore we only have the object to see its object rights, modify properties, and delete objects. Once a user has either added a group or users, you will have the ability to grant or deny any of the access rights we have seen in this list today. In today's video, we looked at a brief overview of StarTeam access rights, the type of rights that are available, and the structure of how these are applied.